Welcome, dear. Tech Unlimited channel offer you today 13 wonderful devices. Let's go. The Karo Smart Ceiling Fan. The market's most eco-friendly and adaptable ceiling fan is the Karo Smart Ceiling Fan. Any smart home device or the integrated app on your smartphone can be used to operate it. The wind speed may be changed, the light can be turned on or off, and timers can be scheduled. The fact that no wall switches need to be installed is the best aspect. DC motors in the Karo Smart Ceiling Fan release less heat, which reduces energy loss. Because of the ultra-low voltage motor design, you, the homeowner, may install it safely. Thus, the Karo Smart Ceiling Fan will not only reduce your energy costs, but also improve the comfort and design of your house. The starting price of the Karo Smart Ceiling Fan is $192. Insta360 link. With the Insta360 link, you can broadcast from home or at the workplace and always look your best. With its Ultra HD 4K resolution and AI-powered webcam, you can be sure that your calls and presentations will always be clear. The Link's best-in-class sensor makes it easy to use in low light, and its 3-axis gimbal design and AI tracking algorithm will help you stay in focus if you need to move around. The Link includes several cutting-edge modes that enable you to communicate more effectively than before for an even greater experience. Whiteboard mode improves your presentations by sharpening and squaring up your whiteboard to provide your audience with a more clearer picture. Desk picture. Mode automatically adjusts to show your tabletop. Features that will ease your mind. For individuals looking to enhance their video conferencing experience, the Insta360 connection is the ideal webcam. The price is $299,999. LaCie Solid-State Drive. Are you a filmmaker or professional videographer? Do you frequently need to move big files or edit while on the go? If so, a LaCie Tough SSD is what you need. The 4K, 6K, and even 8K video workflows are intended for these external SSDs, and provide USB 3.1 Gen 2 and Thunderbolt 3 along with FireCuda NVMe speeds. Additionally, they have an IP67 water resistance rating, which means that they can survive 30 minutes underwater in up to 1 meter of water. Not only that, but the LaCie Rugged SSD comes with a 5-year limited guarantee that covers rescue data recovery services, making it the ideal choice for anyone searching for a strong and robust external SSD. PrintX. PrintX is the ideal answer for all of your printing requirements. This tiny printer fits in your palm and is quite versatile because it can print in color on many different types of surfaces. It's now simple to print in color while on the road, if A4, A5, or A6 paper sizes are required. PrintX is ideal for organizing your house or place of business because of its label printing extension. Consider integrating a 3D printer with your other devices if you're seeking for a way to personalize your most treasured photos. PrintX is a multi-purpose printer that is adaptable to many uses. PrintX can provide the superior outcomes you require, whether it's for business or pleasure. You'll be able to print anything you want, anytime you want, thanks to its simple UI. The cost of purchasing it is just $75. Jet Pen. The Jet is a sturdy, compact, and inventive telescopic bolt-action pen with a distinctive look. When closed, its length is under 100 mm, making it convenient to carry around and attach to a pocket or purse. When opened, the Jet unfolds to a full length of 135 mm, making it cozy to hold and use for writing. The Jet is robust and long-lasting due to its Grade 5 titanium construction and deep carry pocket clip. The pen is prepared for any setting because it comes with a Fisher-Space pen refill. The Jet comes with a lifetime warranty and may be disassembled for cleaning. The cost of a Jet is $97. Yilang Hi X3. The Hello X3 is the ideal tool for you if you want to be able to express your creativity wherever. With the help of this clever and portable pen, you can easily operate your screen from any surface by transforming any monitor into an interactive touchscreen. With 50% more accuracy, choosing tiny points and delicate lines is now easier than ever thanks to the data processing speed of 120 frames per second, which guarantees there is no latency when sketching. Additionally, a desk mount for the Hello X3 is included, so you may use your screen as a touchscreen table or other surface. All you have to do is screw the gadget into the upper left corner of your monitor and use the connected screw to tighten or loosen it. The X Pen's variously colored warning lights serve as a helpful reminder to charge it before it runs out of power. You can get the Weilang Hello X3 for $129. M-Display. The screen is everything when using your PC to work, play, or watch videos. Your PC can be losing out on a lot if it doesn't have the correct display. When it comes to getting the most out of your PC, M-Screen provides the quality and versatility you need, whether you're working on a project, playing games, or watching videos. Trying to multitask on a single screen is just too restrictive. You can increase your productivity by using two displays and keeping separate work open on each. It is equal to having two 16:9 displays side by side in the Broad 32:9 ratio. Your work or play will be more immersive and productive thanks to the larger field of vision. Thanks to the improved perspective of maps and battlegrounds, games appear more realistic on an ultra-wide screen. You may get this item for as little as $95. Bluebox Copilot. On the road and in need of some assistance? Take a look at Copilot, the plug-and-play autonomous vehicle that offers a plethora of options to enhance your quality of life. Bluebox Copilot provides you with the necessary peace of mind while driving thanks to its 5 cameras that combine to provide a 360-degree view. You can simply identify any concerns with your car's upkeep by using the Blue Mechanic tool. Additionally, the Mile Saver tool automatically tracks both on-trip and off-trip mileage for individuals hoping to maximize their tax deductions. Great security features on the Copilot will come in helpful in the event of a mishap. The LTE video from Stream. Bluebox Copilot is the ideal choice for anyone with a lengthy commute or who drives for ride-sharing or students. Clicko. Maintaining the cleanliness and freshness of all your devices is made easy with the Clicko brushing system. It has 8 distinct brush types that are magnetically bonded to one another, making it simple to keep them all together and tidy. With Clicko, you may utilize a wide range of devices and keep them all looking brand new. It's ideal for smaller headphones, bigger peripherals like game controllers and keyboards, and cameras. Clicko is a portable and compact device that may be used in a variety of situations while on the road. It can be shaped like a cube or a flat brush. The finest aspect? It just sets you back $45. Machwheel Basalt. This device eliminates the fear of your devices or gears running out of power when you're on long travels. It claims to be the world's first all-terrain e-bike integrated with power station technology, allowing you to charge your electronics at any time. You have dependable power backup wherever you go with its 960 watt-hour battery, but that's not all. With its 750-watt brushless motor and high torque power, the ride's range would be increased with just one charging of the detachable battery. Its thick tires and adjustable suspension will help you navigate even the steepest terrain with the best mechanical stability and grip. When this bike is with you, power disappointments are unavoidable. In order to continuously recharge the bikey or other portable gadgets when the battery runs out, it comes with extra solar charging panels. This is available for $1,799 and has several charging connectors, including DC, Type-C, and AC wall outlets. Topwork. The ideal workplace for people who wish to maintain efficiency and productivity is Topwork. With its 11 full-speed data transfer ports, you may connect a wide variety of peripherals, such as a mobile device, power supply, monitor, and drive. You can never worry about power drain because the Type-C connector enables PD100W charging. The best audio quality is available for movies and video conferencing when using the 3.5mm audio jack. You may also utilize the HDMI and VGA connectors at the same time to expand your display to 2 additional screens. The wireless charging pad keeps your phone or AirPods charged and ready to use, while the integrated Type-C cable allows you to organize your workplace by tucking it beneath the base. TopWork is the ideal option if you're searching for a practical and reasonably priced way to increase your productivity because of its 4 changeable angles, which make it simple to establish a comfortable working position. It costs only $90 to purchase. Telescopic Lantern Outask. This gadget's incredibly strong lighting features allow it to securely light your path when you're outside. Its telescopic structure allows you to effortlessly stretch or fold the lamp to the desired length, adding to its portable design's ease. When completely deflated, it makes a straightforward cylindrical shape that you can simply stuff into your backpack or grasp with one hand as you proceed. There would be no need to worry about darkness along the road, because the lamp illuminates a greater portion of your path. You may securely fasten the gadget to any surface of your vehicle, ship, or other transport by using its magnetic construction. Its resilience, stability, and waterproof capabilities make it the ideal companion for you to endure any weather situation. For increased stability, the $90 gadget has an incorporated tripod foot. Mouse AirPoint. Stylish and cutting-edge, the AirPoint mouse can detect motion in 3 dimensions in addition to tracking surface motion. Because of its adaptable design, it can be used for both work and play. It may be used as a regular desktop mouse or as a 3D mouse worn on the finger. Because of its modular architecture and long battery life, it is a great option for travel and offers a wide range of interactive options. For those searching for a practical and modern way to handle their computer, the AirPoint mouse is an excellent option due to its 40-meter operating range and Bluetooth 5 wireless connection. The AirPoint mouse is available for $139. We hope you enjoyed what we gave you. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Meet in other videos.